Bicycles up there, just a drop in. I don't even know, guys. This is a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Everything is white, crunchy white. It sure is. Look at Lucky Pants. I hope he does his duty. Oh, okay. There's ice crunching right here. Look at this, guys. Is this an illusion? It makes you feel like the pole is moving, but it's actually the clouds. Oh, yeah. Okay. This is still a winter wonderland. It really is. Lucky, do your duty, hon. Go potty for mama. Yeah, we can't be out here all day. No, we can't be out here all day. Come on. Come on. Oh my goodness, guys. My heater. Look at my heater. What is that? What is that? What is that? Is it from up there? Ooh, look at that icicle right there. Whoa, that is cracky-lacky. Oh my. Okay, well, uh-oh. Look at this icicle. Are you kidding? Okay, I've got some gutter issues. Oh, the gutter thing is totally missing over there. See it? Okay, so come on, hun. Come on, let's do our duty. I need to get my dog over here to do his duty. Ooh. Okay, I don't need to stand here. One of those just fell, but what is this? What is all of this on my device? Is that from the gutter not working? What is the deal? Oh my goodness, guys. Uh-oh. If my heat quits working, we'll know why. What in the world? Jesus. I don't know. Wow, look. It is snowed over, frozen up. Okay, guys, that is just awkward. Is that because of the... That is cracky-lacky. Yeah, I just made a lot of noise. What is the deal? Okay, maybe I should call the landlordy and say, hey, we got a problem? Okay. What? I'm moving away. Those are falling. Okay, Lucky, come on. It's okay. Go potty. Go find your spot. Come on. Go find your spot, honey bunch. Okay, guys. I don't know. Lucky needs to get with it. Ooh. You know, under all of this is still that ice. Okay, where are you gonna go, Bob? Let's do something. Let's do it. Okay, he's walking in a winter wonderland. Come on. Oh my goodness. Okay, AT&T. This is a shout out to AT&T. Okay, here we go. This is my internet provider. Yes, they are amazing. I pay $10 a month for internet. True fact. $10 a month for internet. Yeah, that's what. That was a shout out. For AT&T. Okay, guys. Like he has to do his duty, and he is being a booty. Go under the porch where it's not so cold and wet. Okay, guys. Just gonna take a picture, and then